Hello, I have a box.
Where are you sending it?
I am sending to London.
Put it on the scale.
Here is the heavy box.
It is exactly 3 kilos.
What is the total price?
Do you want fast shipping?
How fast is fast shipping?
It takes just 2 days.
I will choose fast shipping.
What is inside the box?
Just books and some clothes.
Are there any dangerous things?
No, nothing dangerous is inside.
Please write the address clearly.
I will write it now.
Do you need a pen?
Yes, please give me one.
Here is a blue pen.
The address is fully written.
That will be $20.
I will pay with cash.
Here is your paper receipt.
Thank you for your help.
Hello, do you sell stamps?
Yes, we sell all stamps.
I need stamps for letters.
Are they for this country?
No, they go very far.
You need international red stamps.
How much is one stamp?
One stamp is $2.
I will buy 10 stamps.
That is $20 total.
Do you sell white envelopes?
Yes, we have big envelopes.
I need 5 white envelopes.
Here are your 5 envelopes.
Can I glue stamps here?
Yes, use the small table.
Where is the mailbox?
The box is right outside.
Is it the yellow box?
Yes, the big yellow box.
When do you collect letters?
We collect them every evening.
Here is cash for everything.
Thank you for your purchase.
Have a very good day.
Hello, I have a notice.
Show me the paper, please.
Here is the yellow paper.
Let me read the number.
Is my package here today?
Let me check the room.
I will wait right here.
I found your brown box.
Is it very heavy today?
No, it is very light.
Can I take it now?
I need your ID card.
Here is my travel passport.
The name is perfectly correct.
Do I sign a paper?
Yes, sign on this line.
I am signing it now.
Here is your light box.
Do I pay any tax?
No, everything is fully
Do you sell packing tape?
paid. Yes, it is over there.
I do not need it.
Have a very good day.
Thank you for the help.
Hello. Who is out there?
I am the delivery man.
Do you have a package?
Yes, a package for Max.
I am coming down now.
I will wait right here.
Sorry for the long wait.
It is perfectly fine, sir.
Is the box very big?
It is a tall box.
Put it on the floor.
I am putting it down.
Do I need to sign?
Yes, sign on my phone.
Use my finger to sign?
Yes, draw with your finger.
The signature is done now.
Thank you very much, sir.
Is the box damaged inside?
The box looks perfectly safe.
Thank you for fast delivery.
You are very welcome today.
Have a safe drive back.
I will drive very safely.
Goodbye and take care now.
Hello. I have a question.
How can I help you?
I sent a letter yesterday.
Do you have tracking number?
Yes. Here is the receipt.
I will type the number.
Is the letter moving fast?
It is at the center.
When will it arrive there?
It will arrive tomorrow morning.
That is very fast delivery.
Yes, you paid for express.
Will they call the receiver?
Yes, the courier will call.
What if he is out?
They will try next day.
Can he pick it up?
Yes, from the local office.
I am very happy now.
Keep the receipt with you.
I will put it away.
Do you need anything else?
No, that is all today.
Have a very nice day.
Goodbye, and thank you much.